The cosmos of artificial intelligence is expanding. We are witnessing the birth of a new language. This is not a language of spoken words, but of carefully crafted instructions we call prompts. These prompts are how we communicate with AI. They are the bridge between human intention and machine execution. Prompt engineering is the art of speaking this new language. It is about understanding how AI thinks and what it needs to know. A well-crafted prompt is like a key. It unlocks the potential of AI to generate text, translate languages, write code, and even create art. This new form of communication requires a shift in our thinking. We are used to giving instructions to other humans. AI, however, requires a different approach. We must be precise, clear, and unambiguous in our requests. Mastering this new language of prompts is essential for anyone who wants to harness the full potential of AI. It is a skill that will become increasingly valuable in the years to come. Imagine asking a chef for something delicious. The result might be tasty, or it might be a far cry from what you had in mind. Now, imagine providing a detailed recipe. The outcome will be far more predictable and aligned with your expectations. The same principle applies to AI. A vague prompt like "write a poem about love" will yield unpredictable results. The AI has too much creative freedom. It might produce a sonnet, a haiku, or a free verse poem with no discernible theme of love. A good prompt, however, guides the AI towards the desired outcome. Consider this prompt. Write a Shakespearean sonnet about the bittersweet nature of unrequited love. This prompt provides specific instructions about the form, style, and theme of the poem. The quality of your prompts directly impacts the quality of the AI's output. Good prompts lead to relevant, creative, and impressive results. Bad prompts lead to confusion, frustration, and a sense that AI is not yet ready for prime time. The applications of prompt engineering are vast and ever-growing. Let's explore a few examples. A marketing team needs to generate compelling ad copy for a new product launch. Instead of brainstorming countless taglines, they use an AI writing tool. The prompt: write 10 catchy taglines for a new smartwatch that emphasizes its fitness tracking and communication features. A software developer is tasked with building a website feature. Instead of writing every line of code manually, they use an AI coding assistant. The prompt might be: generate JavaScript code to create a pop-up window that appears when a user clicks a button, displaying a discount code. An artist wants to explore new creative avenues. They use an AI image generator. The prompt could be: create an image in the style of Salvador Dali, depicting a melting clock draped over a keyboard, symbolizing the fusion of art and technology. These examples demonstrate the power of well-crafted prompts to unlock the potential of AI across various domains. Creating effective prompts is a skill that can be learned and refined. Here are some key principles to keep in mind. Avoid jargon, ambiguity, and overly complex sentence structures. Think of your prompt as a set of instructions. Specify the format, length, style, and tone you expect from the AI's response. If relevant, give the AI background information or a specific scenario to work with. Incorporate relevant keywords that will help the AI understand your request. Remember, the more information you provide, the better equipped the AI will be to generate the desired outcome. Treat prompt engineering as a collaborative process. You are guiding the AI towards a specific goal. Section 5. Specificity is key. Avoiding vague and ambiguous language. One of the most common pitfalls in prompt engineering is using vague or ambiguous language. Let's revisit the example of the poem. A prompt like "write a poem about nature" is too open-ended. What kind of poem? A haiku, a sonnet, a free verse poem? What aspect of nature? The beauty of a sunset, the power of a storm, the tranquility of a forest? A more specific prompt would be: write a haiku about the ephemeral beauty of cherry blossoms in spring. This prompt leaves no room for interpretation. It tells the AI exactly what to write about, the form the poem should take, and the specific emotions it should evoke. The more specific your prompts, the more likely you are to get the desired outcome. Section 6. Context is king. Providing relevant information. Imagine asking a friend to write a story. Now imagine giving them the same request but adding: it's a science fiction story set on a distant planet where the inhabitants communicate through telepathy. Which scenario is more likely to result in an engaging and imaginative story? Context is crucial for AI as well. It provides the necessary background information for the AI to understand your request fully. Let's say you want the AI to write a social media post. Don't just ask for a funny post, instead provide context. Write a humorous Twitter post about the relatable experience of accidentally liking an old photo while scrolling through someone's profile. By providing context, you are setting the stage for the AI to generate more relevant and engaging content. Section 7. The Power of Examples. Guiding the AI with illustrations. Sometimes, the best way to explain what you're looking for is to show, not just tell. Providing examples in your prompts can be incredibly helpful. Suppose you want the AI to write in a specific style. Instead of simply stating "write in the style of Ernest Hemingway," show the AI what you mean. Write a short story in the style of Ernest Hemingway, known for his concise prose and vivid imagery. For example, consider the opening line of A Farewell to Arms. In the late summer of that year, we lived in a house in a village that looked across the river and the plain to the mountains. By providing an example, you are giving the AI a clear template to follow, increasing the chances of getting the desired output. Section 8. Iteration and Refinement. The Path to Prompt Perfection. Don't expect to craft the perfect prompt on the first try. Prompt engineering is an iterative process. It involves experimenting, analyzing the results, and refining your prompts based on the AI's output. Think of it like training a dog. You wouldn't expect a dog to learn a new trick after just one attempt. It takes patience, repetition, and positive reinforcement. The same applies to AI. If the AI's initial output isn't what you were hoping for, don't get discouraged. Analyze the response. Identify areas where the prompt could be clearer, more specific, or more context-rich. Each iteration brings you closer to mastering the art of communicating effectively with AI. Section 9. Mastering the Dialogue, the Future of Human-AI Interaction. The ability to communicate effectively with AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a skill that is rapidly becoming essential in various fields. As AI technology continues to evolve, so too will the complexity and sophistication of our prompts. Mastering the art of prompt engineering allows us to participate in this exciting evolution. It empowers us to shape the future of human-AI interaction, unlocking a world of creative possibilities and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this transformative technology.